In this video, we're going to go over Kali Linux, more specifically the command line interface or the terminal, and we're going to go over some of the different Linux commands that you should know, especially when you're just starting out. So let's go ahead and open up the terminal. Go ahead and zoom this in a little bit for you guys. Now, if you signed in with the Kali user or created your own user account, that's perfectly okay. I signed in with root just to keep us from having to do sudo consistently. Now the first command is going to be apt or apt. This is called the advanced package tool in Kali Linux. So it's a command line tool used for handling packages in Debian-based Linux distributions such as Kali Linux. This provides functions for installing, updating, upgrading, and removing packages and managing repositories from where softwares are obtained. Now let's say we want to update our Kali Linux. We can do sudo, which just gives you sudo or increases your privileges temporarily to that of the root user so you can perform administrative functions. But since we're already root, we don't have to use sudo, so we'll just do an apt update to update our OS. And you see over here it's updating. We have to disable my antivirus real quick so that way it can actually reach out. And there you go, that might take, let's say 30 minutes. So this is a fresh instance of Kali Linux. It hasn't been updated yet, so this may take a minute or two, and I will resume the video once this finishes up. Now that finished up, so that's how we can update Kali Linux. Now we can also upgrade installed packages by just simply running apt upgrade, and then this will upgrade all our packages installed. So if you wanted to install a new package or a new tool on your Kali Linux, you'll do apt install and then whatever the tool name is, and then that'll go and pull the tool from the external web or externally from your network to the web, and it'll download it locally to your Kali Linux machine.